So welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. My name is Mitchell Bouchard, so let's get that up on the screen for you all. I am your crypto and NFT investor. Hope you have been enjoying this major pump that I'm going to talk about here in just a second. By the way, I'm drinking some tea, put some raw honey in here. I'm working on a diet. I want to be sharp because in 2023, I really believe, and I'm going to be honest here, I do believe that this is going to be the year to go all in, and this is probably going to be the last bottom that we see for a while. The next halving is going to be, 2024? So we got still a year and a half until then. I'm not sure if it's the beginning of 2024 or later, but it's coming, guys. So I want you to all be prepared. Be ready to like the video, subscribe. Make sure you do that, right? Like, look at all the effort I've been putting in as well, right? So anyways, let's go to the main screen here because we've got Cardano at 42 Canadian cents. Or if you're American, which you probably are, let's give it a quick refresh. We've got the market cap of Bitcoin at 331 billion. And then Cardano is at 10 billion right here. So that's kind of sexy, I must say. We've been so low for so long that it's kind of nice to see, at least a bit of a pump, right? The fact that over the past 7 days, let's check it out here, specifically on Cardano. So I'll actually go back. So if we take a look at Cardano, we'll go to the 7-day. We are, why does it show down? Should show up. I don't know why it doesn't do it like that. We're just going to have to go to the home screen and do this then. So if we go to the 24-hour, all right, on Cardano, 5%. Okay, so we're down 5% on the 24-hour. 7-day, 23.47%. That's pretty good. And of course, if you're DCAing, dollar cost averaging your buys, meaning every week, every month, or for some of you, maybe it's every day, if you're picking up a little bit, especially at these lows, you're going to see gains in your profit. So I'll give you an example. I personally was picking up Cardano at the high. Now, one of the rules of thumb is that you do not want to buy high and sell low because then you're not investing anymore. Then you're just being ridiculous. You're acting like Kanye and just talking about nonsense, right? You want to make sure that you're clear-minded and you're focused, right? You want to be a winner in this sport. At least we can think about it as a sport, right? But the point is, when you're DCAing, what you're doing is you're buying every month, and then over time, you're going to catch a bull run. And then when that happens, because you're buying at the lows, you're going to be able to sell at the highs. Or effectively, you're getting in at every point in time. So over time, if the market does go up, you'll do well. Now, this isn't to say that, Cardano is going to be at $3 100%. It's not to say that, cryptocurrencies are even going to be around next year. They probably will. Obviously, I'm betting my life on it. But the truth is not anybody can guarantee that, right? Charles Hoskinson can't tell you, pick up some coins now. He wouldn't even do that. Nobody knows what's going to happen, right? So remember, if you're getting into the space, not a financial advisor, but somebody that is investing and very transparent, you should be dollar cost averaging if you are a long-term believer in the space. And if we look at Cardano, it's been doing well. We'll click on it again. So I'll head over to the big screen. If you look at the 1 year, okay, we are down a lot. I was buying here. Like, I was being ridiculous. If we look at the all-time, okay, I mean, this would have been a great pump to hit, 2 cents to 68, 67. But if you look at Cardano here, we're about this marker, right? Let's say that we're here in our new run, right? So we're here. This is the time to get in while these Cardano blockchains, these dApps, they're building on top of Cardano's layer 1 blockchain. And when they go up, I really believe that the altcoins in Cardano are going to do terrific. So if you're picking up Meld, Kopi, you're looking into different ISPO projects that you can get in. You can get into the Gens X. So that's a multi-token ISPO that you can get in, delegate your tokens to the Gens X. There's only a few more epochs left. But anyways, if you get into ISPOs, you can get into projects early. Comment down below which ISPOs you've been getting into. But effectively, we're probably going to stay stagnant, if not go a little bit lower for, it could be up to another year or so. So if we look from 2018 to 2021, that was a long time we were stagnant. But that's okay, because now we're starting to kind of see a bottom, right? You can see that we fell off the cliff here. So I was buying all up here like a weirdo. Like, I'm going to admit it. Like, I was buying at the top. But the point is, I've been buying here. I've been buying here, buying here. And now, since I've been buying here at 30 cents, I picked up some, here at the very low, 25 cents. I put in like $1,000. And I was like, I need to get some now, because what I can do is make my average buy price much less. Because long term, this is just what I think. I believe that we're going to see $1 trillion Cardano market cap, if not at least half a trillion. So we're going to do really well. That's just what I think, right? So if we take a look here, now is just a great time. We could start to go up. I doubt it. If we do, I think it will probably be short term. So if you take a look at the 1 year, this is the first time perhaps we could start breaking up. But we don't know. The point is, we're in the red. If you look at it from a 1 year chart, this is a great time to get in, right? This has got to be one of the best times you can get into Cardano. You will look back 2, 3, 4, or 5 years from now, and you will think to yourself, why didn't I buy more? Like, why didn't I at least get in before the next halving, right? Because right now, it's not super exciting. It's not the cool thing to buy cryptos right now. For some people, it is, the people that understand it. But at the end of the day, we're very bearish still. But if we look at the 3 month, the 1 month, right? We're doing well. The 7 day, right? This is what I'm talking about. I picked some up right here. This will probably help you if you can see the chart. 25 cents. I was getting in there and I was thinking to myself, it could go lower, but I'm in long term. That's having a long term mindset, right? So that's all I wanted to cover. I just want to cover that we're doing well. I think it's going to be short term. I don't know. If somebody tells you 100% they know, they don't know. Jeff Bezos don't know. And look, if I don't know, nobody knows, right? Kevin O'Leary's like, Mitch, I'm in huge trouble right now. Like, SEC's after me. They said I took too much money. I'm like, Kevin, you took 15 mil. Like, of course, like you're gonna get in some hot waters. He's asking me what to do. I told him, just, take that 15 mil, buy some Cardano. Hold on to it for a bit, right? It's just, I've been dealing with a lot. I have all these billionaires and millionaires contacting me. What should I do? I don't know. Watch my channel. Look, watch my channel. It's beautiful. We got a video coming out every day at 2 p.m. All right. I did this fantastic interview with Dap Central. Shout out to Fareed. What up, dude? Like, look at this. Look at these video thumbnails. They're beautiful. They're intuitive. There's a lot of quality information here. If you watch these videos and you don't understand crypto, I can't help you. Look, the next CryptoPunks. It's an entertaining video. Right? Are you not entertained? All right, we're going to wrap it up. I just wanted to let you know that you should be watching my channel more. And you should definitely be thinking long term. And yeah, definitely comment down below what other content you'd like me to cover. I've been following cryptocurrencies for a long time, been teaching it online for a while. And yeah, I'm just very happy to be doing the channel. I know we like to have fun here at Crypto Moose. But anyways, remember, pick up a hardware wallet, because if it ain't your cheese, if it ain't your keys, it ain't your cheese. Anyways, cheers.